After the unavailability of Ome TV on the Play Store, there might be a need to find the next Ome TV, and there's certainly an app that's called mirror app of Ome TV. You can simply say that it's Ome TV itself. So we're gonna search on the Play Store. That's called Minichat. Search and install the first one that comes on the search results. Install. Now let's open the app and check. So it also provides you with the 3 options to log in: Facebook, Google and VK. I can just use any of the options and allow access of the permissions here. Scroll down to the bottom and then continue. Accept the terms and continue, and then you're gonna have to allow the access of camera and microphone. So now we are live just like Ome TV. A small section in the bottom left side of the screen is your video. It also has got the option to select the country here, and also you can change the gender just like Ome TV. Now in order to start the video chat, just tap on play button here. It functions totally like Ome TV. You can skip to next person, and if you want to stop the chat, tap on the stop button. So that's the new Ome TV called Minichat. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.